You may be wondering, can you freeze icing? The answer is yes, and we'll show you how. If you ever have leftover icing, you can save it later by freezing it. All you need is a freezer-safe container like this. This one here is a glass container that works perfectly for icing, and it has a snap-on lid and it seals everything in nice and airtight. Then just spread your icing nice and evenly. And then cut a piece of parchment or wax paper to fit your container and put it on top of the icing just like this. This is going to help prevent any ice crystals from forming. Then put on a label with the date. Icing can stay in the freezer for about 4 months if you store it this way. When you're ready to use it, just take off the layer of wax paper, and you can let that sit on the counter to defrost if you need it right away. Or if you know that you're going to be using icing for your baking a couple days ahead of time, you can just let it defrost in the fridge. Just give it a good stir, or if you're freezing icing that has a lot of air in it, you might want to fluff it up again with a hand blender. And that's it! It's ready to use. Have a great day!